Hi viewers, welcome back. Today I am going to practically explain the circuit of the indicator and hazard lights. As you can see in the front of you on your computer or mobile screens, here you can see the components. Here are the four bulbs: one, two, three, and four bulb. Two for rear and two for front of vehicles or any machines. Here you can see here is a one hazard switch. This switch is a double pole double throw, and here this side you can see this is the indicator light switch. Okay, when we push this button to left indicators lights are blinking. When we push on right side, so right bulbs indicators start blinking. And here you can see here are the flasher unit, flasher relay, also called flasher relay. This is a 12 volt. I am using 12 volt relay. This is if you using for 24, then you can if you are 24 machine voltage, you can use a 24 voltage relay. Here are 3 points, one for negative 31, and one terminal is for positive voltages, and one is the for L mean light. So here you can say this is a, here are the one wires is coming negative from negative side of the battery terminal, and this one is coming from the positive voltages from the positive terminal of the batteries, and this middle one is output. It goes to the middle terminal of a switch, and also these voltages going to this switch. This is going to on the two terminals. This is one upside, one is a downside, and this one and one is a downside terminal. This is going to outsides it, and from here this upside is I connected to here, and this downside, which one is the I connected to this terminal. So when we push this button hazard lights, so this voltage is going to these at a time to four bulbs will blinking. But when I push this button left, so only this bulb and this bulb, this rear one and this front one is start to blinking. When we push this button on the right side, then the right bulbs, this one and this one, rear one and this front one, start the blinking. So this terminal is connected to the these two bulbs, and these are output voltages are going to this left side, both left side bulbs. And one wire, this one is my negative voltage. This is coming from the battery. This strip and this strip is grounded, so this bulb getting voltages from this strip, and this voltage getting the negative voltage from this strip. Similarly, this bulb connected to the negative side of this strip, and this bulb is negatively connected to this strip. So in this way, this is a complete circuit. Now practically I show you how it work. To switch on the voltages, so these are here coming negative voltages, here coming positive voltage, and from here is going to outside these two switches. So first I will show the indicator. I push this button left side, so you can see, also you can hear the sound of the flashers, and this our left side indicator is working. I off it, my bulb I put in right side. So now you can see right side here and front lights lamps are blinking. Okay, so now it's off. Now I use my this hazard switch. So here you can see, here are the this one and this one. These two are output voltages going to the four bulbs. Two bulbs getting voltage from this wire and two getting from the this wire, and this is our input voltages which coming from the flashers. You can see I put on, and you can see this was the you can see our 4 bulbs are blinking. It's our hazard lights are blinking. Viewers, hope you like this video. If you have any comments, please write down in the comment box. So viewers, this was the smaller demonstrations about the hazard lamp and indicator lamps. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video if you